Hello and welcome to this unboxing and review video of the JMary KP-2207 professional tripod. This tripod is designed for photographers and videographers who need a reliable and stable platform for their cameras and other equipment. So, let's get started with the unboxing. Unboxing. The JMary KP-2207 tripod comes in a sturdy and durable carrying case. Inside the case, we have the tripod legs, center column, ball head, and accessories such as the quick release plate. Let's start with the tripod legs. The legs are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which makes them lightweight and durable. The legs have 3 sections that can be extended and locked into place using the flip locks. The legs also have rubber feet, which provide a stable base on any surface. Next, we have the center column. The center column can be adjusted to different heights and angles, allowing you to position your camera in a variety of ways. The column also has a hook at the bottom, which you can use to hang a weight for added stability in windy conditions. Now, let's move on to the ball head. The ball head allows for smooth and easy movement of your camera in any direction. The head has a 360-degree panning range and can tilt up to 90 degrees, making it easy to capture photos and videos from any angle. The ball head also comes with a quick release plate, which allows you to attach and detach your camera from the tripod quickly and easily. Assembly. Now, let's assemble the tripod. First, we attach the ball head to the center column using the included screw. Then, we attach the quick release plate to the bottom of our camera. Finally, we attach the quick release plate to the ball head, and our camera is now securely mounted on the tripod. Conclusion. Overall, the JMary KP-2207 professional tripod is a solid and reliable tripod that offers a wide range of features and capabilities for photographers and videographers who need a versatile and stable platform for their equipment. Its lightweight and durable construction, adjustable legs and center column, and smooth ball head make it a great choice for a wide range of shooting scenarios. That's all for today's unboxing and review of the JMary KP-2207 professional tripod. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials.